Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the pair Forearm Crutches, designed with an ergonomic folding feature perfect for adults with leg injuries. These crutches boast a unique sleeve design to prevent dropping, with cuffs on the forearm that help secure your arms and crutches together, ensuring they won't fall when you're locking doors or setting them aside. With a semi-encirclement arm design, these crutches effectively distribute wrist pressure, keeping your arms straight and reducing strain. The 10-level adjustable height feature allows customization from 35 inches to 44.5 inches, accommodating individuals from 4 feet 25 inches to 6 feet 1 inch, and safely supporting up to 240 pounds. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, these crutches are easily foldable to just 19 inches in length and come with a handy cloth storage bag, making them the perfect travel companion. The anti-slip and safe design includes a securely lockable bottom and an Oxford anti-slip base, providing superior stability and traction on uneven surfaces, while absorbing shock to minimize impact on your joints and muscles. Experience the freedom and flexibility to walk safely with these innovative forearm crutches, designed to meet the needs of most users. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.